Instantly equip key tools from within the toolbox. Press and hold the black Tools button on the drawing hand controller to access them. Hover your controller over a tool and release the button to equip it. From left to right, the Measure tool can be found here, as well as the Selection tool, your default sketching tools, then Color and Materials, plus presentation tools like Viewpoints and Teleport. The Selection tool lets you adjust positioning of sketch objects that may not be grouped already or are far from one another. Select the separate geometries with the cursor, then adjust the gimbal using the drawing hand to move, rotate, or scale the sketched objects. To enable snap movement, hold the index finger trigger on the non-drawing hand controller. Color and Materials allow for instant changes to be made to sketch geometry by selecting them with the paintbrush. Properties of an existing sketch can also be sampled by toggling over to the pipette on the drawing hand controller toggle. A customizable palette is available by pressing the color wheel button on the non-drawing hand controller once in Color and Materials mode. Create a brush preset by first selecting your desired parameters, then naming it at the top right. These assets will be preserved for easy access in later sessions. Download the latest version of Gravity Sketch from any VR app store. Also be sure to join our Discord community to leave us feedback or make feature requests.